Now concentration of solutions. Solute plus solvent constitute solution. We will take example of sucrose. The sugar is the solute and the water taken is the in the beaker is the solvent. The concentration of a solution is the known quantity of a solute in a known quantity of a solvent. The concentration of a solution can be expressed in two ways. Percentage concentration. First one is the weight based method or mass by mass percentage. In this, W gram of solute is dissolved in a W gram of solution. Second is volume based method, mass by volume percentage. In this, W gram of solute is dissolved in V milliliters of solution. Now saturated solution. A solution that cannot dissolve any more solute at a certain temperature is called a saturated solution. Unsaturated solution. A solution that can dissolve more solute at a certain temperature is called as an unsaturated solution. The amount of solute dissolved in a given solvent at a particular temperature is saturated solution. The solute is salt and the solvent is water. Now the salt has completely dissolved. This is a saturated solution. If now I'll add more salt to this solution, the solution will become unsaturated and you can see the undissolved salt at the bottom of the beaker. The amount of solute present in a saturated solution at a certain temperature is called its solubility at that temperature. Now suspension and colloids. Suspension and colloids come under the category of heterogeneous mixture. Suspensions are heterogeneous mixtures in which the particles of two solutes do not dissolve but remain floating everywhere in the medium. Now you can see sand dissolved in water is an example of suspension. Sand particles are dispersed in the water. Now the characteristics of suspension. Suspensions are heterogeneous in nature. The suspended particles can be seen by the naked eyes. Unlike the particles of a true solution, the suspended particles scatter the light passing through them. Now you can see the light passes through the suspension of sand and water. This shows the Tyndall effect. The solute particles settle down when left undisturbed. The component particles can be separated by the process of filtration. Now you can see the clean water coming out of the funnel. Now colloids. Colloids are heterogeneous mixtures where fine particles are dispersed within a continuous medium which prevent them from settling or being filtered. A colloidal system is made up of dispersed phase and the dispersion medium. The fine particles are dispersed in another substance, that is dispersion medium. Now characteristics of colloids. Colloids are heterogeneous in nature. The solute particles of colloids are bigger in size than the particles of a true solution but are smaller than that of suspension. The particles of colloids are big enough to scatter the beam of light and exhibit the Tyndall effect. You can see the light passing through the colloidal solution of milk. The components of colloids are not separated by physical methods like filtration but can be separated by centrifugation technique. Now I will summarize what we have discussed. A homogeneous mixture is one that contains only one type of a compound or element. A heterogeneous mixture is made up of different substances that remain physically separate. Solutions are homogeneous mixtures of two or more substances. A solution is made up of two components, that is solute and the solvent. A solute is a substance dissolved in another substance known as solvent, and solvent is present in larger quantity than the solute. The concentration of a solution is the known quantity of a solute in a known quantity of a solvent. In weight-based method, the weight of known solute dissolved in known weight of the solvent is expressed. In volume-based method, known volume of the solute dissolved in known volume of the solvent is expressed. A solution that cannot dissolve any more solute at a certain temperature is called as a saturated solution. A solution that can dissolve more solute at a certain temperature is called as unsaturated solution. Colloid is a heterogeneous mixture in which the component liquid get dissolved in one another. The particle size of a colloid is intermediate that of true solution and the suspension.